Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about the climate of India, seasonal weather characteristics and climatic division. Okay, this is an important topic for UGC NET Geography paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. First of all, an overview of India's climate. Okay, it's occupied by tropical monsoon climate type. India has a tropical monsoon climate broadly, hot summers, distinct wet season and mild winters. Controlling factors like latitude, altitude, distance from sea, relief, ocean currents, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and ITCZ, Intertropical Convergent Zone. Rule of Himalayas act as a climatic barrier, prevent cold Siberian winds from entering India and deflect monsoon currents northward. ITCZ and monsoons, intertropical convergent zones, shift seasonally, driving the onset and withdrawal of the southwest monsoon. Okay, this is the overview of India's climatic condition. Okay, the monsoon origin and mechanism, thermal concept, traditional, differential heating of land and sea. Land heats faster, low pressure, moist sea winds rush in, simple but incomplete. ITCZ, equatorial trough. ITCZ migrates to 25° north in summer, draws southeast trade winds across the equator. They are deflected as southwest monsoon. Somali jet, low-level jet, cross-equatorial flow along East Africa intensifies into low-level jet fuels Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. Jet stream theory, flown, shifting of subtropical jet streams south of Himalayas in winter, north in summer, triggers monsoon onset. El Nino and La Nina, E and SO. El Nino's weakens Indian monsoon, drought risks, and La Nina general extends its excess rainfall. And Mascarene, high pressure system near Mascarene Islands drives moisture laden winds towards the Indian subcontinent. Okay, 4 seasons of India. Winter season, December to February, northeast rotating monsoon dominant. Cold waves from northwest, western disturbance, snowfall in Himalayas, fog in North Plains. Tamil Nadu coast gets northeast monsoon rain. Temperature 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in plains, sub-zero in mountains. Then summer and pre-monsoon, March to May. Sun overhead, intense heating of northern plains. Low winds, hot and dry, blows in northwest India. Dust storms, thunderstorms, northwestern and Kalboisakhi. Mango showers in Kerala and Karnataka. Temperature 40 to 48 degrees Celsius in Rajasthan and Punjab. Southwest monsoon season, June to September. Onset 1st June, Kerala coast, 2 branches, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. 80% of India's annual rainfall received from this southwest monsoon. Break monsoon period occur in between, withdrawal October, northwest India to December, southeast coast. Rotating monsoon, October to November. Southwest monsoon retreat from northwest to southeast. Northeast monsoon sets over Bay of Bengal. Cyclones frequent in Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu, Andhra coast get heavy rain. October heat, high humidity plus high temperature. Okay, southwest monsoon, onset, branches and rainfall distribution. 2 branches of southwest monsoon. Arabian Sea branch hits Kerala coast, 1 zone, Western Ghats with windward side, very heavy rain, Cherrapunji type. Leeward, rain shadow, Deccan Plateau dry, enters Rajasthan through Gujarat, some reaches Punjab. Bay of Bengal branch moves northwards, deflected by Arakan Hills, Myanmar, enters northeast India, Assam, Meghalaya fast. Mausinam and Cherrapunji, world highest rainfall, meets Arabian Sea branches in India, Indo-Gangetic plain. Key effect and exam points: onset Kerala, 1st June normal, withdrawal starts 1st September, northwest wind. Complete withdrawal, December southeast coast. Annual average rainfall 119 centimeter in India. Highest rainfall, Mausin Amen Meghalaya, 11,872 millimeter. Least rainfall, Jaisalmer Rajasthan, 10 centimeter. Brick monsoon, inactive cycle during season. Monsoon throw, low pressure throw along Indo-Gangetic plain. Rainfall distribution in India, very heavy rainfall, more than 200 centimeter. Western Ghats, windward, northeast India, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Heavy rainfall, 100 to 200 centimeter, West Bengal, Assam, Sub-Himalayan, Konkan coast, Bihar and Orissa coast. Moderate rainfall, 50 to 100 centimeter, Deccan Plateau, Eastern Rajasthan, UP and Madhya Pradesh. Low rainfall, less than 50 centimeter, Western Rajasthan, Kutch, Upper Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, rain shadow areas. A coefficient of variation is highest in arid regions like Rajasthan and lowest in high rainfall areas in northeast India. Okay, this is an important for MCQ perspective. Climatic divisions, Köppen's classification. Köppen 1918 revised 1936 classified climatic based on temperature and precipitation using letter symbols. AM, tropical monsoon, Western Ghat coast, South Assam and Andamans. Short dry season, high annual rainfall, more than 60 meter. Month below 6 cm compensated by rain surplus. AW tropical savanna, peninsular India, most of Deccan, dry winter, wet summer, hottest month before monsoon onset, distinct wet dry alternation. BSHW semi-arid steppe, West Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Deccan, Leeward, hot summers, rainfall is less than evaporation, grassland vegetation, precipitation erratic. BWHW hot desert, Thar desert and northwestern Rajasthan and Kutch, less than 25 cm rainfall, extreme diurnal temperature variation, negligible humidity. BW true desert. CWG humid subtropical Indo-Gangetic plain UP Bihar North Bengal, dry winters western dominance, hot wind dominant, hot summers monsoon rain June to September, Ganges variance, G means hot spring. DFC cold humid subarctic, higher Himalayas, Arunachal, Sikkim and Himachal Pradesh, cold winters less than 4 months above 10 degrees Celsius, coniferous forest, permafrost possible at high altitude. E, ET and EF, tundra and polar, high Himalayan peaks, Ladakh cold desert. ET means tundra, warmest month 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. EF means permanent ice or permafrost or snow, no warm season and Siachen area. Okay, Tiwartha's classification of Indian climate. GT Tiwartha in 1954 modified Köppen's system, more suitable for monsoon climates, recognized 6 major types in India. Tropical rainy air region, coastal western Ghat, northeast India, Andamans. Monsoon with short dry season AM, region Kerala coast, lower Bengal and Assam. Tropical wet dry AW region, most of peninsular India. Subtropical dry BS and BW region, Rajasthan, Gujarat, upper Deccan, Leeward. Subtropical humid CF and CW, North Indian plains like UP, Bihar and West Bengal. Highland is undifferentiated regions like Himalayas, Sikkim and high Ladakh. Okay, temperature and pressure pattern. Pressure system keynotes. Winter, high pressure over northwest India and Balochistan plateau, northeast trade winds blow from land to sea. Summer, low pressure through heat low forms over Thar desert, Indus Valley and draws in moist southwest winds. ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone, shifts northward to 25 degree north in July, key to monsoonal arrival. Western disturbance, extratropical cyclones from Mediterranean Sea enter India through northwest in winter. Fog, rainfall and snowfall creation. Cyclones, Bay of Bengal, cyclone peak in October, November, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa coast, vulnerable. Okay, regional climate characteristics, region, rainfall, temperature range, climate type and highlights. Himalayan region, rainfall 100 to 200 cm, temperature range 20 degree to minus 20 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Climate type highland is highlights, snow, glaciers, subarctic at high altitude, rain shadow in Ladakh and cold desert. Northern plains IGP 50 to 100 cm, 5 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. CWG humid subtropical. Extreme continental, fog in winter, heat waves in May, monsoon, June, September. Thar desert in Rajasthan, less than 25 cm, 0 degree to 50 degrees Celsius. BWHW hot desert, highest diurnal range, dust, storms, low winds, sparse vegetation. Peninsular plateau 50 to 150 cm, 15 degrees Celsius to 14 degrees Celsius. West AW tropical savanna, moderate, distinct wet dry, Deccan plateau rain shadow zone, semi-arid pockets. Western Ghats coast, more than 250 cm, 22 degree to 35 degrees Celsius temperature. AM tropical monsoon, windward, very high rainfall in Konkan, Malabar coast, coastal humid and mangroves. Northeast India, Assam, etc. More than 200 cm rainfall, temperature range 10 degree to 35 degrees Celsius and climate type AM and CWG. Highest rainfall globally at Mausinam, subtropical forest, frequent floods. Okay. Local winds and climatic phenomena. Loo, summer, Punjab, prevailing in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Hot, dry, dust-laden westerly wind, temperature 45 degree 40 degrees Celsius, causes heat strokes. Then Kal Boisakhi, nor'wester, pre-monsoon, West Bengal, Assam and Bangladesh. Violent thunderstorm blows from northwest in evening, beneficial for jute, rice and crops. Mango showers, pre-monsoon, Kerala, Karnataka and South India. Pre-monsoon showers help ripen mangoes, also called blossom showers. Cherry blossom, pre-monsoon, Kerala and Karnataka, pre-monsoon rain that helps coffee plantation flowering. Western disturbance, winter, northwest India, Himalayas, extratropical cyclones from Mediterranean bring winter rain and snowfall to hills. Rotating monsoon cyclones, October to November, Bay of Bengal coast, Bay of Bengal cyclone during withdrawal, effect on the Orissa Tamil Nadu coast. October heat, post-monsoon, North Indian plains, high humidity, high temperature just after monsoon withdrawal, uncomfortable conditions. And this summer, Rajasthan, Punjab, evening dust storms preceding thunderstorms, result of convective activity. Okay, these are some questions in terms of using the examination. Question number 1: which of the following places received the maximum rainfall in India? Correct answer: Mosinam, Meghalaya, 11,872 millimeter per annually. Question number 2: the concept of break in monsoon refers to shift of monsoon towards the Himalayas, causing dry spells over plains. Question number 3: Kal Boishakhi is associated with which region and season? West Bengal and Assam, pre-monsoon April and May, violent northwest thunderstorm. Question number 4: according to Köppen, which climate type covers the Thar desert? Correct answer is option B, W, H, W, hot desert. B means dry, W means true desert, and H means hot, and small w means winter dry. Question number 5: the low wind is characterized by hot, dry, westerly wind blowing in North Indian plains during May and June afternoon. Question 6: El Nino effect on Indian monsoon, weakens southwest monsoon below normal rainfall, drought conditions in India. Western disturbance originate from Mediterranean Sea, travel eastward as extratropical cyclones enter India through northwest. Okay, quick revision. Monsoon facts: a southwest monsoon onset 1 June, Kerala, 80% of annual rainfall June to September. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea branches. ITCZ shift to 25 degree in July. El Nino weak monsoon and La Nina strong monsoon. Köppen codes: AM tropical monsoon, Western Ghat and Northeast India. AW tropical savanna, peninsular. BWHW hot desert Rajasthan. CWG humid subtropical, IGP. ET and EF tundra and polar, Himalayas. Local winds and events: Lu hot dry summer wind in northern India. Kal Boishakhi northwest thunderstorm in Bengal. Mangosuya pre-monsoon in Kerala. Western disturbance winter northwest India. October heat post-monsoon discomfort. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.